Kung meron ka ng existing life insurance ngayon which is equal or higher to your mortgage amount, then pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pwede kang hindi na magbayad ng MRI. Sabi mo sa bangko mo, ayokong bayaran yung MRI from you. I just wanna assign my own policy. So if that's what you want, you have the right. Right? So, DJ, paano kapag sinabi, ayaw talaga ng bangko ko, no? So, well, I have a lot of different experiences. What I can say is, pwede mo ipaglaban yung right mo. Pag sa first year, yung mag-a-apply ka pala ng loan, ayaw talagang pumayag, sige, pwede, hayaan mo sa kanila, get the first year with them. But starting on the second year, wala na silang magagawa. Approve na yung loan, di ba? Nakatira ka na dun sa bahay mo. Hindi man nila pwedeng i-forfeit yun. Kasi pag pinorfeit nila, di sila makakasingil. Di ba? Wala silang karapatan i-foreclosed yung property kasi nagbabayad ka eh. Magkahiwalay na contract yung MRI tsaka yung loan. So you can only pay the loan. No, you can choose to pay just the loan and then get an MRI elsewhere. Right? So that's what I'm suggesting for you to do. Buy a life insurance separately and then i-assign mo as your MRI doon sa property mo. I-assign mo as a beneficiary yung bank. One of the beneficiaries kasi ang maganda dito as the loan, the mortgage decreases, may sobra kasi hindi lumiliit yung coverage. May sobrang pwedeng mapunta to your family. Right? So, ano itsura niya? For example, ito. Let's say, with that illustration, mas mahal ng konti. Sabihin natin 25,000 per year. Possibly, mas mahal ng konti mo makukuha. Mean times din na mas mura pa rin. No? Na directly sa life insurance company, not through your bank. So let's just say mas mahal ng konti, 25,000 per year for the same 3 million na coverage. So at year 1, no, kung magkano yung loan mo, yun din yung coverage mo. But as you pay on year 5, kung 2.5 million na lang yung utang mo, at 3 million pa rin yung coverage mo, then there's an excess of 500,000. It will go to your beneficiaries in case something happens. Kung 1.5 million na lang at year 10, edi magiging 1.5 million in excess, and then, say, on year 15, kung 15-year loan, last year na lang, may 500,000 ka na balance, di ba? Pero 3 million pa rin yung coverage mo. So the 2.5 million goes to your family, excess pera nila for whatever, they need it. Because your income will stop if in case of death, di ba? They need to continue their lifestyle, hindi lang mabayaran yung bahay. Ganon. So, you're still paying the same premium, 25,000, but you're still having the same coverage, 3 million. So I think it's a more better proposition. So again, the excess coverage will go to your family. Yung total coverage, ibabawas lang yung loan balance, and then the excess goes to your family. So for example, kung 3 million yung coverage, yung loan mo 500,000 na lang, let's say at year 15, the 2.5 million goes to your family. Right? Ito yung excess from your insurance proceeds because you have a separate contract. You're paying here insurance 3 million, dito may utang ka 500,000 na lang. So 500,000 lang yung babayaran ng insurance company doon sa bank as one of your beneficiaries. And then the 2.5 million goes to your other beneficiaries, your wife, your husband, your kids, whoever that is, your parents, sino man yung nilagay mo dun sa insurance contract mo o insurance policy mo. Ito pa maganda. This is where it gets better. Kung bata ka pa at bumili ka ng 10-year ng property, 10 years to pay lang or 15 years to pay. Like ako, I always buy my property 10 years to pay lang. Bakit? Gusto ko siyang matapos kaagad. After that, alam kong bibili pa ako. I wanna accumulate properties. 'Di ba? So habang bata ako, gusto ko maraming properties eventually so that when I retire, I have properties na rental, 'di ba? So 'yun. So it will augment my income when I do retire. So when you buy again, you can just use the same term insurance man yan, VUL or whole life, just continue paying it with the same premium. Hindi na yan magmamahal kasi nakuha mo yan nung mas bata ka, which is 10 or 15 years ago. 'Di ba? So kunyari ako, I got my first property at age 24, right? So after 10 years, probably after that, at age 34, may 35 na ako. So fully paid ko na yun. Pero dahil yung premium ko, kinuha ko at age 24, right? Yun yung insurance ko at age 24 premium, mura pa siya with a high coverage. Yun yung maganda doon. So I can still use that same life insurance and assign it again to the next property that I will buy. Right? Granting that, of course, it's equal or higher to my loan. If hindi naman, buy another property and dalawa yung gawin mong MRI, pwede din yun. Right? So, that's what you can do. Right? Nakamura ka doon. Doon talaga, it gets exciting, nakamura ka doon. Because if you buy, let's say you buy another property after 10 years or 15 years, for sure, you will be charged higher. Mas mahal na yung MRI mo with the same coverage because of your age. Let's say me, 24, let's say 10 years after, 34 na ako, or 15 years after, 39 na ako, the premium will be computed based on my age dun na ulit kasi bago na siyang contract. So ganun ka-powerful if you buy a permanent insurance now, a VUL, or a term insurance now, continue paying it and assigning it on another property after your loan, no? Doon after mo mabayaran yung loan mo. Kung binayaran mo siya mas mabilis, well and good, buy another property. Diba? So it's really related to what we teach, what I teach personally, to really accumulate, grow your income, accumulate your assets so that you have a comfortable retirement. Probably earlier, you can retire earlier or be financially free. Right? So if you have questions, just message me in my Facebook page. For quotation requests, this is just what I need. Send me your full name, your birth date. This also matters, the occupation or country that you are in today. And then let me know how much coverage do you need for term insurance, MRI, or whatever life insurance policy that you would want. Magkano ba yan? 1 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, whatever. Let me know. Send it to my Facebook page. Go ahead and visit my Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat Official. Just send me a question and I will answer within 24 hours or as fast as I can. With that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like in this video and subscribe to my channel. See you again in my next video.